This is a demonstration video, so I'm gonna be installing two peripheral devices, a mouse and a keyboard. So the first thing I'm gonna do is show you how to uninstall the devices. So the first one I'm going to uninstall is the mouse. So I'm gonna go to Control Panel, and as you can see, I've already opened. You go to Control Panel and then you go to Devices and Printers. Then you should find all your devices installed. So I'm going to select the USB optical mouse and I'm going to click remove device. And it's asking, are you sure that you want to remove this device? I'm going to click yes. So now the device has been successfully uninstalled. To reinstall the device, you simply plug your USB PS/2 mouse into a USB slot. And there, your PC will automatically install the device, and then you'll be able to use it. So now I'm able to maneuver my mouse, and now you can see that the icon has come up. The mouse has been installed. So the second peripheral device that I'm gonna install is a keyboard. Because I haven't installed a keyboard before, I'm going to install it now by plugging the PS/2 USB into the USB slots. Now the USB has been installed, so I can use it. To uninstall the device, I simply click remove device and I click yes. Now the device has been successfully uninstalled. So yeah, that's my video on installing and uninstalling peripheral devices. Thank you for listening.